Tuesday, May 23rd edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Rain, the forecast highlight today. Let's start with a couple cameras during the 5 a.m. hour. There's the Greensboro Tower camera. Rain continues to fall, and we also have rain early this morning, really across much of the area, although some of the rain's pretty light in nature, such as in Charlotte here as I cut the video. The temperature, 68 there at the Charlotte Douglas International Airport, and a lot of 60s in place around the region. These were highs yesterday, 70s and 80s across the region. In general, most folks a good bit cooler today as a frontal boundary has shifted a little bit further to the south. There were your Triad area, high temperatures on Monday. Charlotte viewing area, not terribly dissimilar. All right, we'll take a peek here at our flood watches, and we do have most of the region in either a flash flood watch or a flood watch. Bottom line is the potential for flooding is there as we continue to have these waves of rain move through the region. So let me take you on a spin around the radar. And again, I'm cutting this video during the 5 a.m. hour, but you have a lot of rain that's continued to fall pretty heavily north of Interstate 40. Very early this morning, you had flash flood warning in effect for Forsyth County, where 2 to 3 inches of rain have occurred overnight. And you take a look at the region as a whole, it's just a very wet weather scenario with rain continuing to develop and feed on in further to the southwest. You notice all this rain here through parts of Georgia, Alabama, Mississippi, all feeding in our direction. So let's take a peek here at the future radar, the high resolution modeling, and you see this mass of rain continues to develop and lift on up in our direction, and we're going to have, I think, rain more often than not here through much of the Carolinas. So waves of rain and embedded thunderstorms as we go through the day. I don't think severe weather is a huge problem at all today. You notice the severe weather chances not especially great. Now off to the south, through parts of Georgia and southern South Carolina, yes, a greater threat of severe storms. But from most of North Carolina and the northern half of South Carolina, severe weather not a huge concern. All right, so we have this frontal boundary stalled out around the region. Disturbances riding along it, one of those moving through today, bringing waves of rain and thunderstorm activity. There's your highs across the region here on this Tuesday. Now, as we get into the day tomorrow, again, clouds and probably it looks like another wave of showers and thunderstorms late in the afternoon, say afternoon into the evening hours for tomorrow. And there's your Wednesday highs across the region. And then we get out to Thursday, and with an upper level low right overhead, I still think some scattered showers a good possibility. And there's your Thursday highs across the region. So if you model projections in terms of rain totals, this is the GFS, the American computer model between now and Thursday evening, the European model, and then finally RPM modeling, Futurecast, all very aggressive with the rain totals. I think most of the area can expect another 1 to 3 inches of rain here over the next 48 to 72 hours. Here's the upper level setup, this trough carving out off to the west. This is today, and then this is tomorrow evening, that trough swinging on in. And so here's the look at some of the more detailed modeling. This is the GFS computer model for today, and then into this late afternoon and the evening. There goes that wave of rain exiting. Now later tomorrow, this is tomorrow afternoon and evening. There's your next wave of showers and storms, and then still on Thursday, scatter showers possibility. But here we go, Friday, looks good. A lot of sunshine Friday. Saturday, probably not a whole lot of rain opportunities around, but I will mention the chance on Sunday and Memorial Day there on Monday for the chance of at least a few pop-up afternoon thunderstorms. All right, that is it for the latest edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.